see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.
Hey yo, what's good family? Welcome back to Astro Nori for another video. Today we're actually gonna be getting into this week 12 live cop. I'm gonna be trying to go for either the frog tee, the frog beanie, or the chair. Those are the three items that are on my hit list today. The small box logo hoodies actually got pulled like they've been doing for many weeks this season. But if you guys do end up enjoying this video, go ahead and leave it a like down below. Subscribe to the channel if you are new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Click the post notification bell so you're notified each and every time I post a new video. And with all that being said, let's go ahead and get straight to it. Cheers. Let's get it. So right now we're in checkout. I honestly didn't even say shit. Like, I'm too caught up doing shit. I was setting up the screen recording, but I am checking out on the chair. Shit says $100. Like, I don't even know what's going on, but we're gonna figure this one out. I'm doing captchas on my right hand right here, just trying to cook up every way that I possibly can. The chair is gone. It says it's still in my cart, but it's sold out. It doesn't make sense. It says duplicate order on the top right here, as you guys can see. Contact captcha, check your connection, try again. Honestly, I just gotta wait and see. I don't know what this means, but we're gonna go ahead and find out. I'm gonna go ahead and go back to shop and see if I could buy another one of these pieces. See, it says it's still here, like it's not sold out. Oh shit, the homie Marco hit me up and said he got me a chair. That's probably why this says duplicate order on Addict.io. I just gotta see how much got charged. I'm gonna go ahead and figure all that out. I wonder if the frog tee is sold out already actually. Yep, the color I wanted is gone. It is gone, people. I'm gonna go ahead and try to buy this black tee, I guess. Or actually, the navy looks better to me. The pink is even cool. I'm gonna try the pink, fuck it. Let's see if we could cook up on the pink one. It's smooth sending me back. Check out. So right now we about to go ahead and try to check out on this frog tee, see if we could get it. I am going for it in the pink colorway. It sent me back to cart again. What is going on? Bro, what the fuck? I'm gonna try this again. Some of the items are sold out. This shit is flying, I guess. I'm gonna try to go for it in the navy colorway. Like, bro, it's not even letting me get through. Like, it's sending me back to cart every time. Yo, let me get something at least. Like, what the fuck? I think this is the navy frog tee I'm processing for right now. Hopefully I could get through on this one. Yeah, it's processing. I see the bar at least. Come on, Jimmy. But yeah, like, this drop was kind of weird. I feel like, I don't know what the fuck happened, honestly. I'm gonna try to throw both screen recordings on the sides right here so you can see. It's kind of hard juggling both though, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I gotta check out right here and then try to do captures on this hand. It's like, what the fuck is going on, to be honest? We're processing. I feel like at this point I probably secured the tee. I just hope that it fully goes through, to be honest. Yo, this shit looks like the bar is stuck. This shit is weird. Like, it's never really sent me back to the cart unless it was like a box logo or TNF drop. I guess it's stuck right there, bro. It's not even going. Like, so I did end up getting the tee, thank God, honestly, because I thought I didn't get shit. So Marco ended up hooking me up with the chair because his slot went through. It said duplicate on Addict.io. I copped the tee manually, and Addict.io actually got me the beanie, the frog beanie. It doesn't say that I got it, but I did get the charge for it, so I might go ahead and include that as well. You guys clearly didn't see me going for the beanie, so I definitely feel like Addict.io ended up cooking that up for me. At least it does say duplicate order on the chair, and that was the first captcha that I solved, so it might have went through. I honestly just need to leave it be 1 week and just go for it on here. But knowing me, I'm probably just gonna end up doing everything that I possibly can to get these items. I am gonna go ahead and try to put it up here or make a separate video about the topic, but I am thankful that I ended up cooking up. Shout out to Marco once again. Slap a like on this video if you did enjoy. Subscribe to the channel if you are new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Click the post notification bell so you're notified each and every time I post a new video. And with all that being said, I think I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel